Samantala naman ang mga eksperto sa lumulubong bilang ng mga kabataang nabubuntis ngayong pandemya at pabata ng pabata mga maagang nagiging ina. Bakit?
Ahensya na ideklara na itong national emergency.
Ano bang nangyari sa henerasyon natin ngayon? Kaya ikaw anak, dapat lang na alam mo kung ano man ang mga magiging desisyon mo. Isipin mo muna kung ano man ang makakabalasik. Love, buntis ako. Ano gagawin natin?
Huwag ka mag-alala, kaya natin ito. Nanginimigan kita.
Guys, napapansin niyo ba yung anak ni Aling Georgina na tumataba?
Oo nga eh, parang buntis.
Baka nga siguro, malalaman rin natin yan. Walang sikreto na hindi nabubulgar. Ano itong naririnig ko na nabuntis ka raw?
Dad, I'm so sorry.
Wala kang utang na loob! Walang hiya ka.
Breaking barriers, empowering youth against teenage pregnancy. Teenage pregnancy remains a pressing global concern, affecting millions of young lives annually. The alarming rate of unintended pregnancies among adolescents underscores the need for comprehensive advocacy. Effective sex education is pivotal in preventing teenage pregnancy. Comprehensive programs incorporating reproductive health, safe sex practices, and emotional intelligence empower adolescents to make informed decisions. Studies demonstrate that evidence-based sex education significantly reduces teenage pregnancy rate by Curvey 2011. Moreover, advocacy, education, support system, and policy reforms collectively foster a protective environment by prioritizing adolescent reproductive health. Respect yourself. Protect your future. Hashtag Teen Pregnancy Awareness. Hashtag Empowering Youth. Hashtag Reproductive Health Matters. Hashtag Healthy Relationships. Hashtag Prevention is the key.